excrement, but it doesn't change. Let's see. Here we have this valve, which I see. This is not the first time when someone did something here. Anyway, I will fix these wires. And there's another one. But anyway, the wires for this one. And there's our problem.
And nope, that's not our problem, because those two valves are not responsible for the active faults.
Now it should work. But first, let's clear the faults and let's see if it persists. No, it's gone.
Yeah, so only this fault disappeared because of that interrupted wire, but this one appeared just when I tried to shift back to low gears. This is the valve which is responsible for this fault. And in some cases, which are not too often, you will need to check this coil with a multimeter, and you should have around 200 ohms. If you have 200 ohms, you will need to check the wire.
And finally I found the problem from this wire 9110.
So let me explain. In this valve right here, you will find two wires in the connector. A brown wire, which is the ground wire, and the pink wire, 9110. In my case right here, it was the coil interrupted because I didn't have around 200 ohms on the multimeter, and also the pink wire 9110 was interrupted. So let's get back to the video.
Again, the wire is 9110 with a multimeter. One on the 9110 and one on a ground wire, and nothing.
Just a short break. If you are also interested about car repairs, mechanical issues, electrical issues, and many other interesting things, you can check my other channel, Electric Cars. You will find the link in the description.
And if you come with another wire, okay, a ground wire, this is the exact value, 220 ohms. You will need to have between 9110 and ground. Now it should work. And I think it works because I heard something. Good. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, please hit that subscribe button. See you on the next video.